Hey, how's it going, Gary? This is Jesus. We spoke on the phone earlier today, and I just want to thank you so much, first and foremost, for taking the time to watch this video. And you're probably wondering why I would even want to make a video like this for you. And to be honest with you, a lot of pest control businesses are way too busy right now, especially now that the bugs are coming out to know how much more business they can get by staying relevant on the internet. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you some tips and tricks, free tips and tricks to show you how you can outrank your competitors on Google, because that's kind of like the way of the world now, right? I mean, people are getting all their leads, all of their business out of Google, and so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so there are three things we're going to talk about today, and the first one is going to be content. The second one is going to be backlinks, and then lastly it'll be citations. All right, so just looking at your homepage here, I do want to tell you that it's pretty nice. You know, it's simple. It's not crazy. It's super user friendly. You've got things to just go, buyer intent actions here. Contact us. You know, it's super simple, and I love it. It's this picture of this family here brings a nice homey feeling. So I don't have any complaints about your website. But if I'm honest with you, Google doesn't care how nice your website is or how web friendly your website is. All they care about is content and the keywords that are relevant on that content, that are relevant to your business. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about content really quick here, but I'm going to highlight your content here, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put it on my word counter. I'm going to see exactly how many words you have on your page. So 282. So you are, I wouldn't say, so an authoritative website, if I'm honest with you, has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, okay, with a lot of relevant keywords that go with your business, like Pest Control Lubbock, Lubbock Pest Control, the pest control company, Lubbock Trusts, just certain keywords and phrases like that Google will look. They're called buyer intent keywords, people that are looking to purchase your services right away, right? So I typed in over here Pest Control Lubbock, and you weren't anywhere on this first page. You weren't anywhere here on this Google Map Pack here. So you're missing out on a lot of calls, right? Your competitors are getting them most likely. So if I go back over here, as I said, all you would want to do is just build up your keywords if you have access to it, right? Just go ahead and type out some keywords in there. Ensure that Google can find you right away so that you're not missing out on important calls from potential customers, and then obviously potential revenue. So keywords, as I was explaining, Lubbock Pest Control, Lubbock Pest Control Texas, Lubbock Texas Pest Control, any type, like it, any way in that variation. Okay, that's how you could improve your keywords and your content, so Google can find you. So the second thing that I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So I plugged in your website here on my tool here. It's called Ahrefs, and I mean, you can use any tool you'd like. This is a paid version of Ahrefs. Obviously I'm in the industry, but you can use any tool like Keyword Finder, Backlink Finder for free, things like that, right? So that you can do this research yourself. But according to this thing, you have 7 referring domains, and what a referring domain is just any website that pushes traffic back to your website, that refer, right, back to your website. You have 7 of those, and this is the number of times they do that, 28 times, okay? You have 1 organic keyword, and I'm going to be honest with you and tell you that that's not going to cut it, right? So which means you're getting 0 traffic headed to your website, so there's nobody you viewing your website per month on average, and you're not getting any value out of that, right? So we're going to go over here to your competitors. D's Pest Control. These guys were number 1, all right, in my search. If I go over here, so they're number 2 in the Google Map Pack, but they're number 1 here on the organic search listing, all right? So, and if we look at their backlinks and referring domains, they have 190 different websites referring back to their page, 840 times. Now, if you can see here, look at the amount of organic keywords, 4,500 organic keywords. Okay, and this is the amount of people that are looking at their website per month, roughly 4,000 people. And look at the amount of money that you can potentially be earning just by getting all of these backlinks and these referring domains. putting them onto your website, having them refer back to you. With these amount of keywords, you could definitely be ranking up there with these guys, right? Bringing in more revenue, essentially probably having to hire more employees, right? And grow your business. So if we just take a look at their referring domains, this one's more important than the backlinks here. So it looks like they have Homestead. You could definitely see a Lubbock Chamber of Commerce. So you could definitely go in here and look at each one of these websites and see where you can plug your website in, right? Sometimes they do have you pay, but sometimes, it can be completely free. So if I were you, I'd go into each website and plug your website in, and that would be a backlink referring back to your web page. But if I'm honest with you, not all backlinks are created equal. Not all referring domains are created equal. Google knows that you're not a restaurant. So if you have a restaurant referring back to your page, it's not as strong as if it was like a pest control blog or a pest control forum. Any type of pest control related business or website that refers back to yours, you could definitely do that and put your website on there. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk to you about are citations, okay? And I'm trying to make this as short as possible. So citations is how you can get in this Google Map Pack. This is where all the traffic goes, which is why I tell you that this is probably the most important, okay? So citations are anywhere that you could find your business in a directory. So you would need to have your business name, your address, your phone number, your website, all the information has to be exactly the same in all those directories. And the directories can be, excuse me, sorry, I had to cough, so I had to cut the video. But the directories can be anywhere, like Home Advisor, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, just to kind of give you an idea. So if your opponents, or excuse me, your competitors have 100 citations, 200 citations, all you would have to do is one-up them, right? So I'd put my website in 250 or 300 different citations to get here up on this map pack, to bring more revenue, to bring more business, and to essentially outrank your competitors so that you can get all that traffic towards your website, right? So kind of just to review, so the first thing you'd want to do is up your content, right? Bring those 555 words to at least a minimum of 1,500 with important keywords, right? Like pest control Lubbock, Lubbock pest control Lubbock trusts, places like that, right? Or things like that, I should say. The second one would be backlinks, which, like I said, just do the research, get all the websites that your opponents are on, and put yourself in there, and you should that should give you enough to rank #1 here next to D's. And then lastly is citations, is making sure that your business is found in all these directories so that you can be here where all the traffic is going. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and you're probably wondering where you go from here, right? So you have two options, right? So you can do this yourself. You can, do all the research, put in all the backlinks, making sure that you're findable here in the map pack, or you can hire someone to do that, right? And if at any time you're looking to do this, looking to hire someone to do this, you could definitely reach out to me, and I can see what I can do to help you. All right. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I do apologize. I am feeling a little ill, but I appreciate it anyway. Thank you so much for your time, Gary. We'll see you later.